right, so full workout is done. Gonna hop in the shower real quick, get me a quick little shower, and then go pick up wifey from the spa so we can get our night on. Yeah, so as mentioned before, the full workout will be in the description below, so hit that up. And if you have any questions regarding travel workouts, just let me know. I can create future content specifically for your questions, all right? But those are the selected workouts that I normally prescribe for myself and my clients as well when they are traveling, and barring that they have a hotel gym. As you can see, the gym wasn't that big, but it had the necessary tools to get the job done. Anyway, let me get to that, and I'll peep you on the next one. So I almost forgot that I had a mastermind meeting, our first very meeting with the content and conversion inner circle group, but it appears that a couple of them that I was going to form the group with are either having some scheduling issues or they're traveling. So I'm going to check and see if I got like 4 minutes to hop on the call. So I'm going to just shoot them a quick message and see if we're still having a meeting. If not, then push it to another day. All right, so it appears that we're going to just reschedule. So now I'm going to go and hit the shower and get ready before I go pick up wifey.
One-way roads for you guys.
So we are at Takashi. Well, we wanted to go to Takashi, but it was packed to the brim. So we put our name down. We're having a drink.
I'm having a drink.
She's having a drink. Your boy doesn't drink. And just gonna wait for them to text her and get in and get some grub. She's hungry. I'm not quite hungry yet, so.
Alcohol is just as good as food.
So just when we were sitting down getting ready to order, the table next door called us, Takashi called us, so we are getting ready to order. Again.
Looks really good.
We are literally housing everything that comes to this table. So yeah, it is super bad. But food is dope. Food is good. What can I say? Right? This is a little peek at what we're eating so far.